Okay, come on. I can't do this alone. Here we are.
Welcome back to Michelle in the Kitchen Isolation Edition. It's been so long.
With Elisa Tauro.
Yeah.
Right.
So since COVID's not going away,
Neither are we.
So, Michelle, what are we making?
Well, we're making an Elisa specialty, the Negroni. But it features
Special gin made from Elora Distillery. Ta-da! Which our aunt and uncle have just opened up with some of their
my
friends.
brother-in-law and sister.
My aunt and uncle.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, it's the most simple cocktail to make and it's delicious.
Right.
We have pretty pink
Gin.
Yeah. So, 1 shot of gin.
And show the pretty label to the people. Why your fingers are
You can show it.
there.
1 part Campari. And by part, you know, like you can do 1 shot each, you can do 1.5, depends on your day. You know?
Depends on who you're making it for.
Yeah, the reason why we're only making 1 is because we have clearly consumed a lot. So 1 Campari.
Well, over 6 months.
Yeah, obviously. And then 1 part Martini Rosso vermouth, right?
If you're making it for Michelle,
If you're making it for mom, you would do about half of everything. Or you'd like double it. Anyway, then what we're going to do, mix it around like so. We have rind from an orange. Put her in there, nice. Put some more in, why not?
sure, why not?
And then to finish off,
You put the ice in first.
well, because then it all mixes together, I think.
Oh,
I think that's like,
I don't know.
yeah, I think it's better to make it first so then it all mixes together and then the ice goes in after. If you're like a professional cocktail drinker, you would have these ice cubes that are like really big.
Oh, square
Ice
ones.
balls or squares.
Oh. How much ice you put in?
Well, there you go,
Oh,
just as
that.
much as you want. You can-
Okay.
Yeah. And voila,
Voila.
a Negroni.
Had it grown.
Happy social distancing.
Happy. I'm going to bed now.
Bye.